Why does your scanner show the P043F engine code? What does it mean? P043F is a diagnostic trouble code for EVAP system, leak detection reference, orifice, high flow. This error code indicates a problem with the evaporative emission, EVAP, system, leak detection reference, orifice, high flow. This means the car's computer has detected a leak. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. EVAP system leaks, wiring or electrical issues, faulty purge valve or vent valve, loose or faulty gas cap. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota Corolla or Sienna. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.